Hey.
I usually,
No.
Michael Warno. I don't want him to sit as a problem sitting.
Okay. All right, Mr. Gordo, give me just a minute. I'll get your paperwork straight. Mr. Gorno, you're going forward today without benefit of an attorney, correct? All right, the prosecutor has asked me to accept a plea of responsible to double parking and dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to you on June 10th. Says here you've agreed to pay fines at cost of $200. Is that correct? Can you pay the $200 today? Yes. All right, Mr. Gorno, I'm going to accept your plea. I'll dismiss both original charges. I'm going to send you downstairs with your $200 to get a smile from my cashier. You're all set. You're welcome. Maurice Jordan. Mr. Jordan owes us some money on some other files. Jill Perry. Okay with you if I dismiss your file? Have a lovely day. You're welcome. I don't know if this is a pre-hearing because I can't find the name.
So I'm on pre-trial.
Oh, me? Oh, cool. I'm reading it backwards. Thank you.
And you tell them all of the juveniles and.
I'll tell him then. Here's one that's ready to go, Judge.
Fallon Thomas. It's all right if I dismiss your file, ma'am? You sure? Have a nice day.
Love that. Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just $50 or whatever, it's at the top or single, however many, just. If we need to wait.
Jeremy Saltz. Mr. Saltz, I understand you're pleading responsible to double parking today. Is that correct? Pay it today? Go downstairs, see our cashier, get your smile, and go have a great day. Thanks.
Thursday, Monday, Thursday.
Here, Cole. Are you okay with the dismissal? All right.
I'll hear and I'll have them slow respect your equipment.
Have a lovely day.
Judge, please, if, unless you're pulling one.
Go ahead. What do you want?
OSL.
OS?
I'm setting it for a final pretrial for the complaining witness to appear.
Good.
Come on over yourself.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is,
You can just take a seat and I'll hand you your notice at once.
yeah, I'll give it to you. Have this reading, okay, okay? One.
Terrence Brown. Mr. Brown, you okay with the dismissal on these two files? Have a lovely day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Daniel's at Radu? I say it right? Come on up. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You've met with the prosecutor. It says here you're going to plead responsible to an added charge, a third charge, double parking. The first two charges issued June 20th would be dismissed. Is that right? And you've agreed to pay $180? Can you do it today? Go downstairs and get your smile. We'll get you out of here. You're welcome. On the A.
It's all yours. Okay, no, Ms. Osmond is looking for a court date. Mr. Simpson is just waiting for a plea. We have a plea to, an allowing on Mr. Simpson. And then he goes along to. He's just here now. He was here. He's all. That's the fact. Okay. It was the confusion.
What's that?
Simpson.
I don't have any more plea agreements.
I'll write it here.
I got a file for Jason Simpson.
That's, yes, I'm right.
Joshua or Jason?
Jason Simpson.
All right.
Only paperwork I got.
What are we doing on this, Mayor?
He's paid to one count of allowance. Did you get that, Mr. Johnson?
Is he the allowing
Yes, he's doing an allowance.
and dismiss the other two?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Simpson, come on up. Good morning. You've discussed your rights with Mr. Jadala? You didn't discuss your rights?
The rights that we talked about today, you're gonna be waiving your right to have another trial by get something.
Okay. You understand those rights and the options those rights give you? You understand the possible penalty for allow unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 21, 25? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to that charge, dismiss the original charges. Are you working, sir? Where do you work?
And it's all good.
How long you been there?
So that particular company since 2007.
Long time. Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Very nervous.
Okay.
In the process of getting a license.
What do you got to do? Do you know?
This gets more certified letters. Get my session.
Okay. You're getting close then. Good. Good. All right. Well, this shouldn't stop you.
Exactly, that's
All right.
that's what we're.
Okay. All right. Anything else, sir, before I sentence? All right. I'm going to set your total fines and costs at $500. Can you pay that today?
I can get it within a week.
I'll just give you a due date if you want one.
Okay, fine.
All right. Next Friday enough, or you want a little bit more?
Just a little bit more, just.
How about August 1? All right. You're all set?
But I feel come out here and talk to them.
No, you just come back with money between now and August 1.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Please, go ahead, please.
Give me a name, Mr. Hadley.
Grayson, first name, last name Cornwell. No. What kind of case you got? Would you guys do? Yeah, so.
Well, he has it run paperwork.
Oh, I can stick it in for him.
I like that name. Based on it.
Go get him, like, I said, Jared. Hey, there's somebody. No, you don't want that, you're good.
I'm ready on Cornwell.
Great job, Shannon, bring on down with Mr. Grayson Cornwell.
Thank you.
Reading the arraignment standings for charge, that's fortunately not given for arraignment purposes. This matter of today. We would like to avail ourselves of the plea law. Mr. Grayson, with a tender age of 19, will be entering a under the Homes People Training and Court will accept it. Spoken with the prosecutor. Non-reporting probation. As to fines and costs, the people will leave it up to your discretion, Your Honor. I will state he's currently unemployed, but he's got a job app lined up with Cracker Barrel, so.
Good.
Back to work, you know, very near future. But as to fines and costs right now, kind of in a little bit of a tough spot.
Okay. Say again.
He says he's looking at other jobs right now.
Good.
Pan out. So he's got multiple irons in the fire.
Okay.
If the court wants any kind of factual recitations of what happened, I'm happy to let you know. It's.
All right. Okay.
Actually, my client informed me of the law that I wasn't 100% aware of until today, Your Honor. I did not even realize that Michigan had raised the age for nicotine to 21.
Yeah.
I admit, stand here and my client informed me. So that's exactly what happened here. He was with some friends in the park. He was using a vape, nicotine vape.
With respect, what happened here is he was an idiot.
He escalated after the vape. That's what brought
You know what would have happened if you would have handed him your vape? They probably would have thrown your vape away and sent you on your way.
But it didn't go down that way. And in the process of searching, my client, things got a little weird. The officer, in the process of kind of going for pockets, touched an area that made him a little bit uncomfortable in the process. The officers even switched positions and said,
Right.
I'll tell you what, let's de-escalate.
Right.
Anything else from here. It was unfortunate.
Once again, hand him the vape, none of that happens. A vape, let's be clear, a vape you had no business holding anyhow. All right, so let's get to the business. Did you discuss your rights with counsel? Yes? You understand those rights and the options they present to you? You understand the possible penalty for disorderly person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Mr. Hadley, give me some facts.
Yes, Your Honor.
June 26th is what we're showing on the incident date.
This roll on June 26th of 2025, a new resident in the city of Belleville County. Michigan. Were you at the park there? Yes. Okay, breathing on some buddies, eating Taco Bell and smoking your vape cards. Okay, and somebody called police, while you guys were hanging out in the park. And the police got that. And he's asking, did you vape? Did you have a little, argument then? There we go. Your Honor, I would say you satisfied the elements.
I think so too. All right. Mr. Cornwell, you're not working, you're looking. All right. Anything else I should know before I sentence you?
Just saying, I'm not, as I've got nothing else to say, you just say this is your chance. You can't go after.
Okay. All right. I'll delay sentence for 8 months under HIDA. During that time period, stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. Given your situation, I'm not going to give you any court costs. I'm going to order you do 3 days on the court work program. So go downstairs, schedule 3 days, get those done, and you're just, at that point, you're just keeping your nose clean. Schedule those days quick though, because I don't want you to get a chance to work I don't want you to get a chance for a job and you gotta tell them, oh, I got some court stuff I gotta do. Get this done. All right, good luck. Yep. Yep.
I'll just zoom right here.
Wayne,
Yeah, please wait, go over there. There's a,
Victor,
okay, this one's on attorney's on.
Thanks.
and actually it's Mr. Bernstein is covering for her.
Okay.
Oh, you know what?
It's just a
Regarding,
simple
yeah.
but Wagner is in Wagner.
Wagner, I'm looking for. You take care of that one. I'll look for Wagner. All right. Counsel for Wagner, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein here for Ms. Wagner.
Good morning. Counsel, Ms. Wagner is standing in front of me in the courtroom. Tell me about the plea.
Your Honor, Mr. Greco graciously offered a plea to careless driving, and we wish to
All right.
avail ourselves of that.
Thank you. Wow. All right, Ms. Wagner, my understanding is you're pleading responsible to careless driving, correct? I will accept your responsible plea and dismiss the misdemeanor. Counsel, anything you want me to know about Ms. Wagner before I decide what the fines and costs assessment should be?
No, nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
How old are you? You working? Where do you work?
We make our purpose.
Yeah. You got anything on your driving record? All right, anything else you want me to consider before I sentence? All right, fines and costs on this file, $220. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs, cashier will call you up, give you a smile and take your money. Have a good day, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do you not need me for my other traffic ticket this morning?
No, 14 days, just have them pay.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. That was gracious.
Very. Anybody talking to Furman?
To who?
Furman, the jailer.
There, it looks like they're talking now. Are you Wendell? I'm doing it right now, I'm sorry. Well, don't call me that.
Oh.
I'll drink this once. Okay, I'm all set.
A blessing.
Have a good day.
All right. I don't know, I don't know. All right, fine. Curtis? If they ask you to go into the breakout room, you need to stay in the breakout room. Can you go back in there? If not, I can move you around. Okay. It's done.
Last name, Paul.
Paul?
Bolin, Bolin, first name Lindsay.
All right, Mr. Bowditch, go ahead.
Your Honor, fourth record, Jeffrey Bowden, 45367, hearing on behalf of and with Ms. Bolin. Ma'am, could you tell Judge your name for record?
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for the arraignment. Also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor, we have an execute agreement subject. In that agreement, Bolin pleaded guilty to an addict of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive her vehicle with.
Thank you. Ms. Boland, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? Understood those rights and the options they present? Understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on June 11, 25? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at that time?
It was on its times.
All right. I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge.
It
And you're welcome. What's the status of your license now?
is Careless.
What do you have to do to get it back?
Driver's license, I wish she's going to be working in buildings.
Good, good. Tell Mr. Zick I said hello. Working? Where do you work? How long you been with Myers?
Right here.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you today? All right. On this file, fines and costs are $500. Excuse me. Can you pay that today or do you need some time?
I can, if it's possible, I can make a payment, but I should pay half down today.
Okay. All right. You also owe us some other files, money on some other files. Can you do some kind of global payment plan arrangement? Go downstairs and set that up. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know. Thank you.
So I don't know.
Yes. This computer redo thing.
An hour?
Something? Yeah.
Christopher Todd?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good, Mr. Burkett. Mr. Todd, come on up. Mr. Todd, are you going forward today without an attorney?
I'm representing myself, sir.
Yeah. So I've got a piece of paper here that says you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed person to operate a vehicle in Belleville on June 27, 25, correct? Do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you? You understand the possible penalty for that added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that added charge freely and voluntarily today?
From what I understand, here, changed a few of the.
I'm taking a plea to allow unlicensed driver to operate and dismissing the drove while license suspended charge and a civil infraction that went along with it. That's what you want to do. Did you drive a vehicle in Belleville on June 27 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
I did.
All right. I'll accept your plea and dismiss those two original charges. Are you working, sir?
I'm not saying I would like to be back to work.
Okay.
And I intend on getting my license.
That was my next question. What do you have to do to get your license straight?
And I need to Secretary of State, as far as I understand. They would be the whole ball rolling.
Okay.
It was suspended almost 20 years ago.
Oh, okay. All right.
I have a lot of fiscal issues.
Okay. All right, on today's file, fines and costs are $500. Can you pay that today?
The credit card.
Sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, go downstairs.
ATM.
There's a fee, of what I was trying to say. Fee. That's a credit card. Go
Okay,
downstairs, they'll explain your options.
all right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, your appearance is on Kennard.
Honor David Greco here on behalf of the city of Romulus.
Morning, Your Honors. Brandon Breakout on behalf.
Good morning. We're looking for a trial date.
You're looking for a jury trial date.
Heather, what do you got? While we're working on that, Mr. Burnett, are you representing Mr. Kennard on the felony matter that's coming up next week? Okay. What's the date?
Like October 23rd is over.
Wow.
Because you have things every.
Yeah. October 23.
Thursday. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, Mr. Kennard, October 23 work for you? All right, we'll get you notice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. We'll get,
Yes.
just wait a minute, we'll get you a notice too. What happened to our jailer?
Still in, Breakout,
With who?
Josh Henry.
Oh, no, I thought you were having Zoom, no. Why does this not look right? Is that how you spell investigators? That's not how you spell investigators. Why is it not telling me it's wrong?
Sure. All set. Thank you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Have a nice day, Mr. Burnett.
Have a good day, Mr. Burnett.
It does go in.
What's mail with high? 263?
Is he off today? I think he has.
Oh, you know what? I bet he is.
Tell him who you're representing. Thanks. Read.
Oh, yeah. So in Stevenson, right, he was like,
Did he touch it? It's more.
he's like, that's way hotter than your. Yeah, so. One of my niece's husbands was sitting there, he said, you should go there and take a picture, send it to Jen. So she said, I don't think. He's like, I got it. So we went, oh, yeah, yeah, it says here. Swelling, started off small, getting bigger, holy slow, it is funny. So Shiny's like, let's go, let's go right up. He's like, I don't even know if she, that would go, I don't know. What Cheyenne said is, you don't get to take my kids home with you. Till you at least agree for the Benadryl on, draw a line around, so we know if it's. So when we got home, she had me mark for the property.
Oh my God.
Yeah. She'll lose her freaking arm.
Yeah, because I know my sister, she keeps getting bit by spiders. And this last one, the doctor said you have to take this medicine every 4 hours or it's just gonna be completely affected because it was so bad. Oh my God. Wow.
I'll call a doctor tomorrow. I'll call a doctor tomorrow. I know.
Cheyenne, you'd be like, you ain't seen my kids till you see a doctor.
She's stupid.
Oh, here. Other.
One that was missing for the minute.
But then, so this is for everybody that knows a home. It's like November.
The month starts with no. That means, no, I'm not coming to your wedding. No, I'm not coming to your birthday party. No, I'm not coming to work.
That's true.
That's pretty funny.
Sir, yeah, I heard I had Stammer here, the expert on CDL. Your Honor, we are here on Mr. Joe Kilmer.
Tell me about it while I look for the paperwork.
Absolutely. Attorney John Shadid here on behalf of Mr. Joe Kilmer. State your full name for the court, please. Joe Kilmer. Thank you. Your Honor, we had attorneys previously for me to do a little bit of research, and I don't know why I didn't start Stammer, but the question on this one was what kind of impact the plea offer would have on CDL. After doing some digging, we do feel that this plea offer will not put this individual in a jeopardized position to lose his CDL. So
Good.
still be able to accordingly would like to avail themselves of the plea offer. Charge of failing to report which is abstractable, will be dismissed. We plead guilty to the non-abstractable offense of failure to report accident, 0 points. The reason we're going to adjourn for discovery, so that's the scribble out part of it.
Got it. All right, Mr. Killebrew, you understand the rights you have today? Understand the options those rights present to you. Understand the possible penalty for the added charge. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Mr. Hadley, if you would voir dire, April 6, 26 incident date.
April 45, the date time the judge just mentioned. I'll be driving a motor vehicle within the county of Lansing. And involved car accident where your vehicle hit a tree. Okay. And did you go home after the accident versus immediately notifying portion? Your Honor, do you feel this element's been satisfied?
I agree.
Not mine. I won't get on my soapbox about what the point of that law necessarily, but we understand it, and he understands anytime forward that if there is even a single car accident, that's the call.
Yep.
To be clear though, he did do exactly that. He just didn't notify them.
Right. Right. Who do you drive for? Say again? What do you haul? How long you been with the company? Okay. Anything else you want me to know? Fines that cost $300. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs, get a smile from our cashier and get on your way. Have a good day.
Great. Thank you, Your Honor. The individual who I met with him briefly, I was a little bit confused, but they are all pre-trials though, right? I don't have any. I think it's a Belleville case because I went through the Dave's plea offers. I just didn't, I must have missed them on our docket. Beautiful. That makes sense. I'll be right back with that one.
Right. This is a bronchiodilator.
Straight there. Dismissal job.
Ian?
Yes.
ION, and just want to make sure he doesn't have anything going on with his.
What's the name?
ION.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it here.
All right, Mr. Ryan, you're all good to go. You're welcome. Dismissed. Have a nice day. Thank you.
William, what are you back for?
Terry Kundy.
Attorney, was hoping for or thought with the impeding traffic. So on the citation itself, under vehicle type, it says passenger vehicle. However, under the description, it says commercial motor vehicle. Down. So if you want me to speak.
I can spell Quimby.
Kunde.
But I will allow you one more opportunity, just go back into the breakout room, see what can be resolved. And then the, yeah.
You're not coming in person today?
No, this is either a dismissal or a civil infraction. I just need to meet with the prosecutor.
All right, it'll be a few. You got 6 people ahead of you.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, I got a couple typos.
Okay.
The first one is when arguing with a fool.
Let me get a. Where is it fit? All for the Zoom for Ed. What was that one?
It would be the 6th one. So it's when arguing with a fool, make sure. Yeah, and this is my fault because I had it wrong when I wrote it. I had make sure your opponent and it should be make sure the opponent.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll fix that.
Yeah, and then if you go down. Slide 18 and 19, I think. The happiness ones. So the first thing is, most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be, but in the period after up, so we gotta lose that period.
Oh, there's a period on the slide that shouldn't have been?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'd like to make that 2 different slides, two different happiness posts are 18 and 19, 2 separate slides.
So we're not providing that. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the last thing I've got is 22 or 23. You can tell the greatness of a man.
Yeah.
The Y shouldn't capitalize in you.
26, 22.
I'm just guessing what number it is.
I see. Okay, got it.
Yeah, the capital Y for you.
All right, okay.
Right.
Yeah.
That's all I found. Yeah. So
Get those fixed
yeah,
up.
give me slide number somewhere and we're good.
She's doing that.
Awesome. Beautiful. Tell her thanks.
Yes.
Bye. Mr. Hadley, are you ready on Furman?
I believe so, Your Honor. I just want to make one clerical clarification on the handwritten form that you've received. The case number that begins with 24, do the remaining numbers read B as in boy, L as in Larry, 00609.
Correct.
Okay, we're good to roll then, Your Honor.
All right, and that's one of the cases that's going to be dismissed, correct?
Correct, Your Honor. So Attorney Josh Hadley appearing on behalf of Mr. Paul Furman, who's appearing with us via Zoom from the Wayne County Jail. Mr. Furman, please state your name for the record, sir.
Paul Furman.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yes, Your Honor, the plea offer, we have 3 separate cases with 4 total misdemeanors. The plea offer shall be the case 25 BL 00166 B as in boy. Drug paraphernalia shall be dismissed. The other case that you referenced, Your Honor, the 2024 case, the false info to PD, will be dismissed. And we would be tendering guilty pleas to the A case on the 25 BL 00166, which is possession of drugs. And we would be pleading guilty to drug paraphernalia on 25 BL 00513. That is the extent of our offer. And I would point to the court's attention that Mr. Furman has spent 90 days in jail. Portion of that, Your Honor, was for a probation violation, but my understanding is part of that time has also been in relation to this matter.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Furman, do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you understand the possible penalty for possession of controlled substance charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And how about for possession of narcotics paraphernalia?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's my understanding you're going to plead guilty to those 2 charges today. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you're doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, on February 12, 2025 and May 8, 2025, were you in the city of Belleville?
Yes.
And on February 12, did you have in your control or possession some controlled substance?
Yes.
What was that?
I believe it was a Xanax.
And you had no prescription for that Xanax at that time?
No.
And May 8, 2025, did you have some paraphernalia in your possession?
Yes.
What was that?
It was a syringe.
All right. Mr. Hadley, are you satisfied?
Absolutely, Your Honor. We do believe the elements have been met.
All right. So how long are you in custody, Mr. Furman?
I've been in custody a little over 90 days.
How much longer are you in for?
I have a court date tomorrow. I shouldn't be in custody like too much longer. I'm hoping to be out by next week.
All right. What's the court date tomorrow for?
A probation violation.
What court?
What's that?
Which court?
Third Circuit.
All right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you, sir?
No, sir.
All right. On today's files, I'm going to give you 90 days in jail on each file, give you credit for the time you've served and close those files out. You also owe us some money on some civil infractions. I'm going to close those out with jail time as well. Any questions?
No, sir.
You're done with the 34th District Court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck tomorrow. You're welcome. Leanne Dorsey. Good morning.
I'm gonna discuss this matter with, Breakout, Your Honor. Victim did appear, victim doesn't agree with this position. We're asking for this matter be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Dorsey, that's all right with you? I'll dismiss the file. We do have some other files that you owe us money on. Are you in a position to commit to some kind of payment plan?
Yeah, I was doing it today. I was going to.
Yeah, just do that on your way out the door. You're all set. Noor, is it Tarani? Is that how you say it? Come on up. You're going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney, is that correct? All right, let me see what this, looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor. Let me figure it out. All right, so the prosecutor wants me to accept a plea to 2 additional charges and dismiss the 2 original charges. One additional charge would be no proof of insurance. The other one would be a civil infraction. The other one would be a double parking. Is that your agreement?
Yeah.
And you've agreed to pay 150 on one of those and 180 on the other one, correct? All right, you okay if I just do one file and charge you the 330 total? Sorry, with you? Okay. All right, that's what we'll do. Both the original charges are dismissed. I'm gonna do it all on the B ticket, the civil infraction. It doesn't matter to you, does it?
Civil, yeah, but I need.
Better? All right, any questions, sir? Can you pay that 330 today?
I need,
How much time? August 1st give you enough time? Calendar's over there. All right. All right, all you have to do is come back and pay that on or before the 1st of August. If you don't, then the original charges are back up. You start over. Understood? Any questions? You're all set?
I already stretched them off.
Thanks. Okay, you're confusing me though. I got a Mallard and a Ballard.
Oh, it's Ballard. Ballard, B-A.
Okay.
I think I scratched up Ballard.
No, we got plea agreements on both of them too, so yeah, Mallard and Ballard are both so. Mr. Ballard, come on up. Mr. Ballard, are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? All right, I've got a piece of paper here that says you're going to plead responsible to a civil infraction, no proof of registration, and the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Is that your deal? Fines and costs on that, $200. Can you pay it today?
Not stable soon.
You want a due date or you want to set up some kind of payment plan? Due date? Calendar's over there. Just pick one.
Well, I need a second, maybe a week or two.
August 1 give you enough time? August 1? Tomorrow's the 18th, next Friday's the 25th, the next Friday's the 1st.
So this is something, but.
The 1st?
Yes, so.
That works? All right. Pay it on or before the 1st, or the original charge is back up and you got to deal with that. You're all set. Welcome. Did we find Mr. Mallard? Oh, that's your Jeff file. You crossed Clark?
I did.
Thank you. Mr. Clark. David. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? All right, it says here that you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of disorderly conduct. Is that correct? You understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right, tell me what happened on June 2, 2025 to make you think you're guilty of that. Try to take some merchandise from the dollar store, Dollar General.
Around the time I got an accident, I was having been my
I can accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. You working? Where do you work?
Here.
How long? Yeah. Where'd you work before that?
I had a great job.
All right. But you didn't answer my question. Where were you working before the 2-week job?
I had to go off for a while. We just
All right. Who do you coach for? I'm sorry, where? All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. I'll go along with the prosecutor. I'll delay sentence for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. I'm not going to assess court costs. I'm going to order 3 days on the court work program. You can go downstairs, schedule those 3 days on the court work program, do the 3 days, stay out of trouble for 6 months, then the matter is dismissed. Questions? You're all set. You're welcome. Just waiting for Mr. Mallard and Mr. Bowditch. You attorney?
He's the one for dating on, but he comes in and out.
I'll be back.
Yeah. You guys have this resolved? Mr. Bajaj, Roman, I don't know how to say it.
Yes.
What was the plea?
Double parking, $200 fine.
Plea for 214 days?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Is 14 days good to pay?
2 weeks to pay would work.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're all set.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Want me to go do a couple more, man?
Sure.
All right. Be right back.
He's not. A full house still?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Wait a minute.
I was moved my client in prematurely, sorry, Heather, if you want to know where the guy came from without a form.
Which guy just went?
Mr. For Dobbs, yep.
She's on here.
That's the only other one I saw in MIDC. I think we're cleared out.
I'm fine, yes.
We got a hallway still, but yeah,
Yes, yeah.
And this is Zoom, correct?
That one's Zoom, yeah.
keep rolling for right now until you guys want me?
Yep.
Okay, beautiful.
You out in the main?
Yep, for Dobbs, if you can hear me, I'm actually gonna head back out. Just sit tight where you are right now, okay?
Okay.
That be with full file for you.
We're waiting for Josh to,
I got a little without function.
This one has, these scratch, this one has no counsel.
Yeah.
Zoom Josh.
See?
Mr. Hadley, are you ready?
Stay right there.
I guess he's not. All right. You,
So I know it can be cute.
all right, you are Miss Fainer? Did I say it right? You're going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney, is that correct? All right, let's see what we got. All right, you're going to plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person. Prosecutor wants me to dismiss draw while license suspended, revoked, or denied. Says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and they want me to dismiss open intoxicants in a motor vehicle, correct? All right. I'm willing to do that. The only thing is, I don't want to do the open intoxicants to a double parking because that's just extra work for the clerk. I'm just going to charge you more money on the no valid operator's license on person. Understood? All right. Did you read your rights form? You understand those? You understand the options they give you? And you understand the possible penalty of no valid operator's license on person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus June 12, 2025 while your license was either suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea and I will dismiss both of the original charges. Ms. Fainer, what's the status of your license now? What do you have to do to get it back? Do you know?
Hey, there's, who got 4 weeks, that's what you got to think. Right.
Okay. Any light at the end of the tunnel? Any idea when you're going to be able to get it back?
It'll be about in the summer.
Okay. All right. Are you working? Where do you work and how long have you been there? Good. Good. New job. How's it going? Good. Good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, the total on file, including the extra money for the drove while lights or the double parking plea, is $680. Can you pay that today or do you need some time? You want to set up a payment plan or you want a due date? What's easier for you? All right, go downstairs and set that up before you leave. You can make that $150 as your first payment. Any questions? You're all set. You're welcome.
Indy and Maze is on Zoom.
Mr. Mays, your appearance for Kundi.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, or good morning, Your Honor. William Mays on behalf of Mr. Kundi. Judge, I apologize. I didn't realize that this was in front of you. My client is from far outside the jurisdictional area. But the prosecutor is moving to dismiss, and I have no objection to that.
Thank you.
On July 6th and July 9th. He's positive for fentanyl again.
All right, I don't see anything on, no bond money on the file, so we'll dismiss it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Those are the two labs I have that are in.
Have a good day, Mr. Kundi. Oh, I do? What is it? That'll be fun. Oh, run a car thing?
Well, then, I'll bring it up here to you. They put enterprise on the criminal.
Oh, got it. The Mohammed's? Special prosecutor. must be
Special prosecutor, yeah, big special.
Oh, I like her defense attorney.
Huh?
I like this.
Magic.
I never know how to say it.
Here they go.
Oh, this is the Attorney General, so yeah, special prosecutor. Yeah, I can't even read the complaint, get any idea what this is about. You know what I mean? All I know is about cars.
This little judge just gonna need to file. First meeting of the meeting.
Ms. Mackins? You okay with the dismissal? Have a lovely day.
It was, I think. Shot a catfish. Record catfish. Its girth was 35 inches. That means the fish was bigger on my lap.
Oh my gosh.
Weighed 64 pounds.
Wow. Where the heck did you get that?
Doesn't even tell me. Newport, Michigan, yeah.
Also right here in Michigan.
And what a nice obituary for Ken.
Hmm?
I said, real nice obituary for Ken.
Oh, okay.
Oh, great. Good headline. Judge Oakley binds over Gillikin calling his prosecution a crap case. Rosemary always listens closely.
He was
That's the one we got.
the what?
Fair
The
enough.
neighbor. Mr. Ackerman,
Good morning, my lady.
is this on Tippecanoe and Tibby's?
Yes, that is on both. That is correct.
Frame, A, and then Tibby's tile is. That's, yeah.
They said two separate files, but they're one in the same case and both been sued.
That is correct, Your Honor. One is the company, one is the individual driver.
I won't have a file on Tibby's, will I?
No, Jamie's got just a ticket.
All right. All right, counsel, go ahead with your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please the court? Radu Yakov on P72819 on behalf of defendant Tiberio Franchuk, appearing by Zoom, both of us, Your Honor. Thank you for that ability.
You're welcome. So what are we doing for Mr. Franchuk?
Your Honor, I had the opportunity to speak to the city attorney, and he was a great gentleman that we were able to reach a plea agreement, namely, Your Honor, on each of the two clients or two defendants, the charges will be dismissed and an added count of double parking will be for each one of them, which is $300 for each one. So each file is $300 double parking and all of the other counts are to be dismissed.
All right, and your clients are Tibby's Tile and Marble and Mr. Franchuk, just so the
That is
record's clear,
correct.
correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. And I will do that. I'll dismiss all the original charges. How much time do we need to get the money paid?
Your Honor, if the court would allow for 30 or 60 days, whatever the court deems appropriate, my client would definitely fulfill this particular side of the plea.
How about August 29, a little over 30?
Beautiful, Your Honor. We will have it done by then.
All right, that's on both files, $100 total.
$600 all. Yes, Your Honor.
Just to be clear. Thank you. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor. Enjoy the day.
Thank you.
Stephen Mallard.
Ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Vouch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Mallard, sir. Could you tell your name for the record? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the time set for hearing and staff.
Need a date on a bank bureau.
We've also had a chance to try this case and get it executed. So in that agreement, Mr. Mallard had account. No operators. With the understanding.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Mallard, do you understand the rights you have today and options those rights present? You understand the possible penalty for no valid license on person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle on June 9, 25 in Romulus? At that time, was your license revoked, suspended, or denied? I'll accept your plea on that charge, dismiss the original charge.
Thank you.
What should I know about Mr. Mallard?
Your Honor, I believe he needs
All right, you working, sir? When's the last time you had a job? Where were you at? How long were you with Plastic Bag? Okay, all right. All right, anything you want me to know before I set the terms of sentence on this file? All right. All right, I'm gonna assess fines and costs on this file totaling $350. Let's see, you already owe us $1,650 on other files. Are you in a position where you can set some kind of, commit to some kind of regular payments? For a payment plan? Okay, all right, so here's what we're gonna do. 350,
Upstairs today, so he's aware of this.
okay, all right, so 350 on today's file, you're gonna add that to the 1650 you already owe us, work out some kind of global plan downstairs, you can talk about your options down there. Understood? All right, also, we've got to file a Van Buren Township file for Drovo license suspended, revoked, or denied. We're gonna give you a date to come back on August 25 at 12:30 in the afternoon. All right, we'll give you a piece of paper for notice for that. All right, any questions? You're all set. Ashby?
Ready, Ron? Guys, on, you're correct, there's about, it's very happy. Sir, could you tell them?
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for bringing in this matter.
That's fine.
Also had a chance. Subject to court approval, in that agreement, Mr. Ashby no operating license on person with the understanding the original charge would be.
Thank you. Sir, do you understand your rights and options? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle on October 29, 2024 in Romulus? At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Ashby before I sentence?
Your Honor, I believe he has another matter coming up.
August 13th, you know about that one? All right, go ahead.
In the order they come up.
Okay. You're working, sir? Where do you work? How long have you been there? Say again? How long? Okay. All right, anything else? All right, on today's file, total is $400. That gets you up to almost $2,000. Are you in a position to commit to some kind of regular payments? Can you have a payment plan in place before you leave here today? All right, any questions? Mikhail Williams.
Ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowers, appearing on behalf of with Ms. Williams. Ma'am, could you tell us your name and record, please? Oh, yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the time set for Kramer. Also had a chance to try this case, we have executed three agreements. And he is really guilty with added of no operator's license. And she'd be pleading responsible.
I'm actually showing 2 DWLS files and 1 impeding traffic. Did you talk about 2 misdemeanors or 1? Because the plea agreement plea agreement only covers 1.
We only talk about one. Maybe I missed one.
Yeah, the other one was so for the warrant.
Yeah, but it's a Romulus. You know what? Ma'am, just have a seat. Let's go back and talk to Mr. Greco, see if we can resolve all of it.
There was 2 different jurisdictions.
No, they're both Romulus. Yeah, 2 Romulus DWLSs. Yeah.
You have all.
Yeah. You do that. Go ahead, Mr. Hadley.
Josh, I have to be on behalf of my client, Mr. Henry. Please say your name.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, and I also have one on Zoom. Is that what you're asking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Which, okay, I've got it. Henry Kuhn is the file I've got open. Go ahead, tell me about Mr. Kuhn.
So, driving without a license ticket. We would like to avail ourselves of the people's plea offer where the driving with license suspended ticket will be, or charge will be dismissed. And Mr. Kuhn pleads the reduced charge of no operator's license on person. And that's the B case, Your Honor. The A case was a defaulted civil infraction. It was really similar to what happened earlier.
Yep.
We're just asking that Mr. Greco doesn't stand in opposition. There was a $600 inbound. I believe that's probably the punitive enough on having that.
Yep.
Vehicle is valid and registered now.
All right, I'll set aside the default, dismiss the civil infraction. Mr. Kuhn, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? And you understood those? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on May 3rd? At that time, was your license suspended? I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Kuhn?
Your Honor, he and his wife, fixed income. She's actually battling with the MS right now. She's out in the
Good luck.
lobby and very courageous situation that they're in. He is actively working to obtain counsel on the good old DLAD stuff. We're going back to Granholm era for why this license has been held. It's not a hot rod. This isn't a drinker or driver. We're talking about old stuff.
Yep.
Right steps. They're just financially in bind. They're just money stuff right now. So
Right.
any humility and grace that the court could shed, we would just ask for that. Otherwise, he will not continue to drive until he gets that license back.
Did you bring any money today? Pull up his,
We do have a payment plan in place on some.
yeah, how much of that's late fees?
115 is late fees.
Mr. Kuhn, how soon could you come up with $575?
Beginning of next month.
That file you've got, which is a registration or plate violation from 2025 out of Romulus. Currently it's no. That's allowing licensed driver to operate out of 2024. Currently it's 690, 115 is late fees. If you could pay the 575 by say August 8th, I'll waive the 115.
Beautiful, thank you, Your Honor. Let's see.
Yep. Sir. So you get so. You broke up the calculator.
All right, so on the 690 file, we're gonna waive 115 if you can pay the 575 by August 8th. On today's file, just go downstairs and make some kind of arrangement. So when you walk out of here, we got a plan. Good luck to your wife. I don't know what I wrote. 300, I think. And Mr. Hadley, are you ready on Zoom?
Yes.
I had his file. What'd I do with it? Mr. Hadley for Mr. Akprov.
John Stanley, appearing on behalf of Mr. Breakout, who's appearing via Zoom. Breakout, can you please state your name for the record, sir? Thank you. Your Honor, have a chance to review this with my client, advising of his rights, and we would like to avail ourselves of the people's plea offer at this time. Your Honor, I don't have the form written up in front of me. I believe what we did on this one was the being case with the speeding ticket of 16 to 20 over. That was going to be reduced down to the speeding 1 to 5 over, which is a 1-point offense and not a 4-point offense.
Yep.
And looks at a no ops as a reduced charge to the WLS.
Yep. Got it. Oh, on this one?
Is limited access to non-distractible, Heather?
Just all of them, this here.
Okay.
This is a regular speed.
Yeah, and it's on middle belt, so it can't be a
So it's
limited
not.
access. Yeah, it's
So it's regular speed one.
non-limited access, right. Right.
Fashion speed.
Yeah. All right. Sir, do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the no valid operator's license added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you drive a vehicle June 24, 2025 in Romulus?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes, Your Honor. I
I'll
wasn't.
accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. I'll also accept your responsible plea for the reduced speeding ticket. What's the status of license?
So that's, I think, what he's about to chime in and know exactly there, which was he wasn't aware at the time that he was stopped that he had to pull out of Pennsylvania. He's actually waiting on his uncle, who's your uncle, right, for Dobbs to return from Uzbekistan. Then you guys can go back to Pennsylvania to get that cleared.
Yes.
Okay. So right now he's basically waiting on legal transportation.
Right. Right.
There, he is an international student, limited income right now. I think I'm really helping him out. He extraordinarily informed of the law. He and I had he said, "Are you aware of the maximum penalties?" For Dob was telling me what they were when we logged in. So he's researched this. He's very humbled by it. He was definitely scared coming in today of what this would mean. What I can tell you, Your Honor, is again, you don't have a hot rod or a criminal out here. He just didn't realize.
Where are you going to school at?
I'm going to Widener University in Chester, Pennsylvania.
Okay, all right. Anything you want to tell me before I sentence you today?
I'm just trying to show full remorse and pleading guilty.
All right. On the misdemeanor, fines a cost of $300. On the speeding ticket, $180. Total is $480.
Thank you.
I need you to pay or make arrangements to pay within 5 days. So if you go to our website, you can start a conversation about payment arrangements. Understood?
Understood. Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yes. Officer King, like, talk.
What's going on? How you doing, sir?
Good. Good.
Thank you for the nice letter. Thank you. Okay, so this is, yeah, really need to walk. Oh, I know, but I just totally dealt with this hurting me and this one. So do a few balls, just create control. So take a little hill. Yeah, you're doing what more your life. Thank you. Thanks all. Talk to you, caution. Shoot. But then I remember that. Well, you hear the statutes, right? Those I feel but so my 6-7. Oh, yeah, I think it's just social good. I don't know how it can be better written. It's social good. Okay. It's basically the way I understand it. So I'm driving down the road, I see you overhead. I've either got to get over it or I've got to slow down, right? But it's like, if I don't think I can, I'll get over it, right? I just think, I don't know that it can be better, but just slow down 10 miles an hour. And honestly, I mean, we're hitting them on the green radar. If they're at 62, 63 miles, I don't know what to do about it. And because they're showing off. Right.
Well, I guess that's what's easy, right? You know, you see that they haven't changed his pattern at all. He's still in the same lane, he's still the same speed, he does, like, you know, half mile down the lane.
Well, not only that, too, I mean, we haven't even.
Oh, yeah, so I'm all for the law. I just think it's just too subjective, but I don't know how you fix it.
No, I just wanted to see, a lot of times, you know, and we don't have to wait. A lot of times there's there's 31 right there.
Yeah.
Just.
Right, no, because, well, really, kind of. Problem is, it's the guy that sees you and he's, I mean, even if he doesn't do anything, if he sees you, probably okay. It's the guy that just is clueless driving down the road, you know? Well, and somebody, who was that? Somebody recently told me. It was, you know, I said, it was probably, there's another cop that got slammed into while it was on the expressway with full lights inside, full lights on. And it was one of the officers who said, you know, some of us are convinced those fucking things are just lights like a drivers like us.
Yeah, well, they changed light patterns on them. Where now they don't flash fast, so it doesn't seem to attract attention, but they're still visible from almost a mile away.
Right.
So they flash on still, because what was happening is like the people that have like a procedure and stuff.
Almost like hypnotizing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Starting to stimulate seizures.
So they changed the intensity of that.
And the intensity's still the same, they change the light pattern, so they'll flash fast when we're rolling, but then they put it on, then they go into like a step. But I just wanted to see, because honestly, if you got an issue, the law, so people adjust it straight.
No, honestly, I don't know how you write it any clearer. But it's just, I think it does create a problem for, like, how much is known. And I think, like you said, I think that everybody's tends to agree, if they're backed off 10 miles an hour, that's slow down.
We got to the point,
Because it's all ladies.
fine, but we got to a point, with the traffic cars especially, to where we would put a zone car, I run zone car, I'm not
Right.
traffic, you know. So we put a zone car fully marked with the arrows.
Yeah, just like a buffer.
And then the buses will, because when you just have a single car stop, it's one way, but where it doesn't stop, so you can't.
Yeah.
But when you have a double car, we started doing front cars on it too.
Yes, they go after.
Sure.
Right.
So.
Yeah, but what pain it is. So now you're doing 3 cars for traffic stop?
2, and it's not bad because a lot of times we partner up.
Yeah, 3 open stuff.
So it's so dangerous. I just wanted to get your take on it, because I knew the amount of years you got doing this stuff, you're like, okay, there's something here that I gotta check on.
No, trust me, if I could think of a better wording, I would send it up through the district judges. So, you know, we're always tweaking it.
We love you guys over here, so.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Okay.
Yeah,
We miss Al though. We do. I told Maria, I'm like, Maria, you watch Al long enough, you could do this. You swear her.
Yeah. Well, you know, right now we're just doing it with the judges because I don't want to spend the money on magistrate.
I hate to put the load on you guys, though. You're busy enough.
So far, it's not too bad.
Okay.
So far, well, what I told my bench mates is we'll do it for 6 months, then we'll sit down and see where we're at.
Yeah.
And you know, I miss all the people we used to have in front of us. So the informal hearings, even though they're on that damn thing, it still gives me some
Well,
more.
that's why anytime I'm in here on a formal, or I'm in here, I try to dip into.
Yeah, well, you're old like me, so this stuff it's a tool, but it ain't the best.
Yeah, no, well, you know what? It expedites things. Better.
Yeah. Oh, it's not useless, that's for sure.
It's more efficient, I think, but it's still, you know, we want to open up your docket.
I think our biggest problem though is for the people that recognize it as a convenience for them, that's great. But even before COVID, there was too many of the people we dealt with that had no respect for the system. So now when they can do it from their car or their freaking bed or the bathroom, like Heather gets once in a while.
Yep. No, I've seen.
It doesn't help the level of respect for the system with that group of people.
I literally got put in a breakout room one time, and all I saw in the breakout room was this girl pulling toilet paper off the roll. I'm like, we in the bathroom? So, all right, Judge, nice talking. Thanks again for the letter.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
That can be. So,
Heather.
that,
Nice to meet you.
that you put a picture.
I've seen you on the scene. Have a good day.
So, did you hear this thing about the Detroit fireworks, the shooting?
About our guy.
The Eagles guy that shot a Van Buren guy.
The other guy was from Vietnam.
19-year-old kid from Ron was shot, 17-year-old male, and 22-year-old female from Furner. The 19 was from Van Buren. Nobody was hurt that bad. Luckily. Yeah, I've no doubt we're gonna have straight through. Yeah. He's a big guy.
That's Zoom.
Here's the, here's the site.
Oh, sorry. Yep. There's a citation report.
Counsel, are you on the Rubens matter?
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
Yeah, so my understanding is the agreement is speeding is dismissed. On behalf of your client, you're gonna plead responsible to double parking, fines a cost $200.
That's correct, Your Honor, yes.
All right. And how soon can we get that money?
Can you allow 1 week to pay?
I'm sorry, say again?
Could you allow 1 week to pay?
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that's the first. Holy shit, next month is August, or next week is August already.
Already flying.
It's not fair, counsel. The closer I am to the grave, the faster it goes.
God bless.
August 1?
I'm sorry?
August 1 then.
That's fine. I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
How did that sneak up on me? An optimist. An optimist. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's right. That's true. That factually correct. It's coming quick. Do you want the picture of Tortellini? That's his name, Tortellini.
That is the cutest.
He is a cherry head tortoise. I'm assuming he's full grown. Right?
I'm gonna guess if,
He lives in the children's area at the Belleville Area Library.
aw.
What's the latest thing on your docket this morning?
We
Do we have any formals?
still have one left, Rodriguez Garcia.
Got a formal?
Otherwise, we took care of that. Ballard, Diaz, I see she's in there, wanting to talk to him. Hundy we're done with, and then there should be a Patterson.
So when were your pre-trials?
Yes, so at least two pre-trials from 10:30.
That was the last. 10:30 was the last. Just curious how many bodies you've got out there. Lots? Okay, thanks. Simpson. Yeah, he said.
Mr. Mason was like, they're trying to say, Mason.
I'll
scratch it, Judge.
Wrote on that one. I'm covering for Mr. Bitar on Mr. Mason, but I've set it for a day that I'm house counsel.
Which is what day?
It's 8:28 at 8:15 if that. Okay. I just didn't read yet.
So this is the final pretrial with complainant to appear. Come on up, Mr. Mason.
Attorney Josh Hadley, I'm a co-counsel with MIDC counsel Dan Vitar on this matter. Your Honor, we are, oh, please say your name correctly, sir. Come on, Gary Lee Mason.
Thank you.
On behalf of Gary Mason, Your Honor, we're asking for this matter to be set for a final pretrial with a complainant who is a neighbor to appear. I believe is the name you have on it.
August 28th, who is that? Yeah, who is that? That's us. All right, August 28th, 8:15, we'll get you a paper notice.
Excellent, Your Honor. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. So these have phones situation going on.
Yeah, I just wanted to make it clear, sorry.
That's all right.
8:28 at 8:15.
Just have a seat, we'll give you a paper notice.
Coming up right now.
Thank
You're welcome.
Thank you, Adam.
You're welcome. Oh,
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
you're welcome. Is the bad wing one off, Jeff?
Just still negotiating that one.
Sure, go right ahead.
Have fun.
In like.
It's available from Mr. Wilson. She was arrested. Yep, she's right. We can. Here.
I guess we can do hers first because she's been waiting and all right, scratching.
Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on Travis?
Ready,
Travis?
Oh, yes.
I'm sorry, we should have did hers first. I mixed it in with Williams, but that's okay.
Okay. Oh, just an adjournment.
Yeah, this case of this convenience everybody's appearing on behalf of Mr. Travis. We are the date. I've spoken with Mr. Medina on the phone. So that Mr. Travis, so we're all set.
All right.
And then we're ready to finish up this loop.
All right, sir, just have a seat. We'll get you a notice for that new date.
I messed that up.
Your Honor, once again, for the record, everybody appearing on behalf of Caleb Williams.
I have no file.
She was here earlier.
Yeah,
Your Honor,
Oh, all right. Yep, go ahead.
charges of driving while license suspended,
Yeah.
one plea of responsible to impeding traffic. Both of the driving while license suspendeds have been turned into no operator's license on.
All right, Miss Williams, you understand your rights. You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to 2 counts of no valid operator's license on person? October 24, 24, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. June 11, 25, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. Both cases of drove while license suspended are dismissed.
Thank you.
And I think. Yep. You're pleading responsible to impeding traffic. The civil infraction. What should I know about Miss Williams before I sentence?
Your Honor,
Are you working, ma'am? All right.
working on her license.
All right. Where were you working before you had your surgery, ma'am? I'm sorry? How long had you been there? Good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, sorry.
All right. On the June 11, 25 file, fines a cost $250. On the October 24, 24 file, $350 because it includes a show cause fee of $50 and a warrant fee of $50. And then the impeding traffic was $180. So the total on those, $880. Can you pay that today or do you need a payment plan? Go on downstairs, talk about your payment options. They've got lots of them. Any questions? Have a nice day. Good luck with your hand. Hand or wrist?
Scratching it up.
Price?
Oh, we got 2 prices today.
Yeah, I got her. Miss Price, you okay with the dismissal? You did not post a bond, did you? Goodbye. Have a nice day.
So next. Old Romulus residents, they remember me coming to the house, they told me.
And what was it for? The 2 sisters again?
They're not Romulus now.
No, what address they come back on?
Dearborn House.
Oh,
Getting a little closer to you.
yeah, that's true. I'm Dearborn. That's not far. Yeah. All right, let's see what I can.
Damn it.
You better watch this.
Oh. That is adorable.
Yeah, it does.
Wait, wait, wait a minute. It says wait for it. Aw.
No lawyer street. You are Mr. Daniel? Good morning. You're going forward today without an attorney? Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
Do you understand your rights? You understand the options those rights give you? Understand the possible penalty for the charge? Are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Incident date was April 15, 2025. Tell me what happened. What property was damaged?
Sure, on his truck.
All right. And that would be Ted Hall?
Yes, I really didn't know his name.
Okay, all right. And there was some kind of altercation between the two of you and you broke his windshield?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Pulled a knife.
Where do you work at?
Yes.
You're not there anymore? All right, so you two gentlemen don't work together anymore? All right. Are you working anywhere? Where at?
First.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, Mr. Daniel, fines and costs on the file, $680. That includes the $280 restitution to Mr. Hall. I'm also ordering 3 days on the court work program. You can schedule those days downstairs. And if you need time to pay, you can set that up downstairs as well. Any questions? Downstairs, then you're on your way.
So let's go down.
Yep, front counter.
Usually. It's just a plea on a civil infraction. Right reasons. File in there.
Rodriguez Garcia.
Yeah, there is.
Got it. All right, sir, you're gonna plead responsible to impeding traffic. And the fines and costs are agreed at 180. Speeding ticket will be dismissed. Can you pay the 180 today, sir? Say it again. Yeah, I'll give you till next Friday. You're all set. Speeding ticket down to an impeding.
What's the name?
Rodriguez Garcia,
See that on the docket? I don't find it.
civil infraction, so it's probably not on the docket. You're all set, sir. Just come back with your money.
But I'll go back to the cashier.
Yeah, just when, you don't have to do anything today. Just come back when you've got your money.
Was the first name Eduardo? First name Eduardo?
Raul.
Raul.
Yeah, but would it be on the docket if it was just a civil infraction?
It should have been. But I'm thinking that,
I have a Raul Eduardo Rodriguez formal hearing.
who?
And I'm
Yeah,
fine.
that is what's supposed to be. Yeah, Rodriguez. It's Rodriguez Garcia, Raul, Eduardo.
And then there's the one.
Heather, did you bring something to eat?
I did, I brought night yogurt.
Thank you.
I showed Susie a picture of the box that's left at 11 o'clock on the morning dive. She's, holy cow, you guys want lunch?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long did you give him?
August 1.
Yeah, because there is. Oh, right. Last name of Parker. You look, believe.
Parker. Ms. Parker, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? All right, so you met with the prosecutor. And the prosecutor sent in a piece of paper. We're going to reduce your speeding ticket from 11 over to 1 to 5 over. We're going to dismiss a false info to a police officer, and we're going to reduce the Drovo license suspended to a no valid operator's license on person. That's your deal. You understand the rights you have today? And the options those rights give you, you understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person? Understanding that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle on June 13th in the city of Romulus, or excuse me, the city of Belleville? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea to no valid operator's license on person and dismiss the Drovo license suspended. And I'll reduce your speeding ticket. What is the status of your license today?
Still on the previous ticket from 2017.
And you just have one ticket you owe money on and then you're good?
For Michigan, yes. The issue was I moved to Tennessee in 2018, so I didn't know about the 2017 issue until earlier this year.
All right.
And then I came in as Milwaukee and get it taken care of on my own. I believe it was March.
Okay. And are you working?
Yes, I am now.
Where do you work?
I actually work remote for Advocate of World Health.
Good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of sentence on the no valid operator's license on person? All right. All right, $400 on the misdemeanor, $170 on the speeding ticket for a total of $570. Can you pay that today?
I can do it.
All right, you also owe some other files, money on some other files. Let's, you don't have a payment plan on that though?
Yeah, that's the one I
So let's add this stuff into the new payment plan. Make whatever payment you can make today. Any questions? You're all set. They'll take care of you. Shepherd?
Natural life.
Cynthia Shepherd.
Council and I made approach off the record.
Yep.
Shepherd's aware of the, off the record, we didn't really know how to approach or how to proceed.
You want me to read that?
Yeah, I don't mind. Just, it's in the, you know what it is.
I'm assuming buildings are key. It was. You fighting?
Mom's been involved in.
Oh, sure. Yeah, man, you get to do it. Why am I looking at this?
What I'm thinking is that this was their division, where they were sent over to the resource officer and they just see them and go about the whole issue. Yeah,
Right.
and I think that but better communication between this teacher and her profession.
Right.
That would be.
Oh, what do you want to do?
I've never asked it.
I'm okay with this.
What we didn't want to do is take the option. Yeah.
Sounds about this. I'm stupid. Well, absolutely, and then she's gonna give you information. I know.
Yeah.
But. It's really, once he does, it's not. He's
right.
And that's a shame. The other issues that are on those are actually.
Yeah, they don't want to.
Right. But I know I've never asked this before, but we could, I think this would be the way.
No, I think it was not, like the only thing.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate your time on that one.
Ms. Shepherd, you okay with a dismissal?
Yes, you're.
All right, so here, come on up here. Hang on to that. All right. You got your hands full.
I didn't even tell you about mom. So beyond her
You know,
child.
I'm here in town.
Sure.
I'm her daughter.
Okay.
So she's actually remodeling the house to have mom moved into the home.
Okay.
She's dealing with a lot. So that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So here's what that card.
Go to jail.
You're not going to jail. You never even at risk to go to jail. So that card I gave you is for Christine Oswald. She's our juvenile probation officer. She's been doing that for over 20 years. She's got resources, deep resources. All right. You've got a lot on your plate. So sometimes you just need somebody to talk to that's just objective listener. Just make contact with her. Okay. You can do that now. I mean, she's probably down there right now. You could probably go down and talk to her now. But my point is you've got a lot on your plate and there might be resources that we have available to help you get over a hump once in a while. All right. So make her an acquaintance. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's it. That's all.
Even if, like you said, just a phone call sometimes, who's not.
Yeah. Yeah. Believe me.
Know kind of what's going on.
He's been working with kids for over 20 years. She's seen it all. Okay. And sometimes you just need somebody to talk you off the ledge, right?
But we're just finding out about medical.
Yeah. Yeah.
That are causing problems.
Go down and see if she's got time to talk to you today. Just
She's in the building.
make that contact. I'm not sure she is.
Okay.
She might be out because this time of year, she's running a juvenile work program.
Oh,
So
okay.
she might be out with the kids today, but just go down at the front counter, that far end. And when somebody comes up to say, is Miss Oswald available right now or not? They'll let you know if she's in the building. But if she isn't, just call her and tell her that you were here today. We had a conversation. Your son's got major issues. And I said, she needs to know you.
Okay.
Or Denise, you need to know each other.
Bill, sorry, we're going to make any mistakes. Your Honor, I don't feel that I gave Ms. Shepherd a proper audience the first time we talked about this. I think the dog ate my homework on these cases so often that I didn't.
Sometimes.
Yep. So I appreciate you being understanding and letting us,
We're done. Dismissed. Right.
Thank you.
Good luck, Mom.
Please.
Just
thank you.
You just did it.
Oh, you're good.
Thank you.
Oh, I would have.
Just route.
Is it good one for you, Judge? Turn up seat.
Yes.
No, I know the difference. I just was in the wrong mode.
Yeah. If there's ever any questions, there's one thing here. Each time doing this. You don't want the order view. I figure this out one day.
That's a Zoom also. Turn up seat.
So we're doing sod or turnip seed?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, are you doing this without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, and you've made a deal with the prosecutor?
Yes, that's correct.
Says here on the paperwork I've got that you're gonna plead to no valid operator's license on person. The original charge will be dismissed. Is that your agreement?
Yes, that is.
You understand the possible penalty for that charge?
No, he did not tell me.
Up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. So
Okay.
anywhere from 0 to 90 days, understood?
Yes, I don't want any points on my license. So yes, I'm
This
agreeing
is
to
no
that.
points. This is no
Correct.
points. And do you understand your rights and the options they give you?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I am.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on May 3rd, 2024 without proper endorsement?
That's correct.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. Are
Thank
you
you.
working, ma'am?
I'm looking at this time.
When's the last time you had a job?
2 months ago, and then my daughter got sick and they let me go because I had
All
to
right.
give her 24-hour care for 2 weeks and they just let me go.
How's she doing now?
She's doing way better now. She had 2 surgeries and she's doing way
Oh,
better.
boy. How old is she?
She's 9 years old.
Oh, man, that's tough on a kid. That's tough on old people. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Good luck. All right. So you've already got a payment plan with us, correct?
Correct.
I see a next payment due on August 11th. That sound right?
Yes.
All right. So fines and costs on today file $400. You want to just add it to that payment plan?
Yes, I would like to add it to that payment plan.
Any questions?
No, not at this time.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Good luck to your daughter.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you. Isabel Diaz.
Yes,
Ms.
sir.
Diaz, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes, sir.
I understand that you've talked to the prosecutor, correct?
Yes.
And it says here that you're going to plead responsible to double parking and the misdemeanor charge from June 27 will be dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You've also agreed to pay $200 fines and costs?
Yes, sir. Would I be able to have a little bit of time for that?
How much time do you need, ma'am?
2 weeks for my next check when it comes.
August 1 enough?
Yes, sir.
All right, understand that we don't make the reduction on the charge until the money gets paid, but I'm giving you till August 1st.
Okay, and do I just pay that to the court or?
Yep. You can pay
Okay.
it in person at the court. You can pay it on our website. If you pay it on our website, it's going to cost you a little bit more because there's a third-party vendor to handle electronic payments.
Okay. All right.
Questions?
No, sir.
You're all set. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. You all set, counsel? Have a great day. Thank you.
You're on it. If you know you're most likely you get shot at again. Just stay with us and you'll see. over to the eye, and we're trying to change the mind. This handyman unveils an innovative and reliable solution. Using
Holmes, it's just a dismissal. Just need to check this out, make sure there's nothing there.
All right, Mr. Holmes, any objection to the dismissal? You're all set. Have a nice day.
I'm sorry, sir. No, we don't need anything. You want to? Six, 7, 11.
Thank you.
Just FYI, our custody is in dispute.
It's here, thank you. Email stuff to the jail.
Hello. I don't know how this guy got me. Can you, send him down to Shannon?
Oh, he wants probation?
Mm-hmm. What are we doing with Reardon?
Reardon is, called on my phone, left a message. He, got a flat tire on his way in.
Gonna adjourn him then?
Yeah, I'm not sure, I just gotta.
Start with Mr. Simpson's of the dismissal. Joshua Simpson. You gonna scratch him off, Judge? Okay.
I don't. Got a lot of multiples. We got a Jason and a Joshua.
I'll scratch this one off, Jen.
Yeah. Joshua Simpson.
Turning on it.
Yeah, Jeff. Mr. Simpson, you okay with the dismissal? Say goodbye to Mr. Bowditch on your way out. You're welcome. Oh, sorry.
Question? He's the expert.
Hooper.
Hello, Your Honor, Attorney Josh Hadley appearing on behalf. Witness, please state your full name.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we are prepared to resolve this matter. After reviewing everything with the prosecutor, they've agreed to dismiss the driving with license suspended for anything guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, as she just had a recently.
Awesome. Good for you.
Solid. That leads to where I think might be going next, which is we know we're behind. She's missed a couple of months on the payment plan from the other outstanding tickets.
Yep.
She's been in between patients. She works in the medical field and has independent contracting. She just had a lull. She will resume payments starting next month. She does have a new client right now. We're just kind of waiting on the money.
Good. Good. Ma'am, if you get into problems with your payment plan, you got to come see us, because if you don't, you end up with late fees you can't afford. So if you run into problems, just come in and say, hey, I got to have a month off, or I got to make a smaller payment. Just communicate with us. All right. So did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on June 21? Was your license suspended at the time? I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge and the seatbelt ticket. So your license is restated. You're working, you're just getting back on track. Anything else I should know?
I didn't even pick up. Is there anything else you want to say to the judge?
I'm going to give you a break on the money. I'm going to order $250 and 3 days on the work program. So the $250, you can go ahead and add that onto your payment plan that you're going to reinstate. All right, you can schedule the work days downstairs. Thank you.
Should have been working on all these driver licenses. I can't get back in the habit.
But I think there's an investor here. Those are what you're giving, but I guess it's like the bills that you're not.
Want to get back on, so all of you driver licenses are doing work days like they used to. Well, we're gonna start doing that too. One week I'm off.
Hey, but it's his fault. Have a good day. Anything? I think that may have,
There's nobody else out there?
let me go check. I think that may have been the last one.
Very good.
You spent I can't tell who's a. Hang out.
What was this? That's all.
Farmer dismissal, he said Greco did not get but it isn't.
Okay.
What's the name?
Farmer.
Jessica.
Ms. Farmer, okay with the dismissal? You're all set. You as well. It's supposed to be Jeff.
Diamond Love Jones.
Is Mr. Bowditch just?
Yep.
Your appearance, Mr. Bowditch.
Your Honor, for the record, everybody, here on behalf of, and with Ms. Love Jones. Ma'am, could you tell the judge, please?
Diamond Love Jones.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's a date, Raymond is Saturday from the reading skill. Also, I had retry this case. In house, Ms. Love Jones is going to be the charge of assault battery, with the understanding the matter will be taken under 7 months for a period of 12 months. If Ms. Love Jones complies with all the court's Or at that time, consider dismissal of these.
Thank you. Ma'am, you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today? You understand the possible penalty for assault and battery? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Mr. Bowditch, if you would voir dire, incident date May 29.
On this year, then, were you at your apartment complex? Yes.
Yes.
Was there a lady that you had a discussion with?
Yes.
An argument? Did you strike her? Did you apologize? Oh, but you did strike her.
Yes.
Defense is satisfied.
I'll accept the plea. I'll dismiss the companion case. Ma'am, are you working?
No.
When's the last time you did?
Huh?
When's the last time you had a job?
Still at school.
How old are you? Where do you go to school? What's your GPA?
Yeah, great.
No.
You don't have any idea what your GPA is.
Great. Great.
Um,
A's, B's,
C's.
C's. Right, that's what the judge is asking.
I don't know.
Are you a senior?
No, I'm a graduate in school.
You're what?
I'm a graduate doing school of mine.
To finish your high school diploma?
It's complicated. It's because I have to do school on something.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
She understands that she can't have any contact with this.
All right, I'm gonna delay sentence for 12 months. During that 12 months, you stay out of trouble. No new criminal charges, no contact with Miss Powell, no phone calls, no letters, no social media contact. You see her at Taco Bell, you eat at Burger King, no contact. Understood? Instead of court costs, I'm gonna order 3 days on the court work program. Stay out of trouble for 12 months, no contact with Powell. Do your 3 days on the work program. And at the end of 12 months, we'll dismiss the matter. It will not stay on your record as a criminal conviction. You understand all that? Any questions? You're all set?
Where could she find out about?
Downstairs,
Talk to probation.
front counter. Yep. Yep.
Probation department. What's a high screen?
Oh, go bring water. Not water. It's that was our last.
I don't know. Nobody's telling me anything.
Konnichiwa. What's Japanese? So, what am I supposed to tell? You can't.
Was that our next person?
That eyes like apostrophe. So dress white, talk black, and drive, choose. So how am I supposed
Jeff, or wait, one left. Okay, so we have two more.
to?
Okay, thanks.
That man's standing right there.
And then I want that hot water.
I want to talk to him right now. Wearing a white t-shirt. I want to tell you something. Okay.
But I'll wait.
Say Carlos is going to make this happen.
Oh, I have a vote. Yeah. Can I bring it out too? Well, that's what I was planning on doing, but I didn't want to do it if I had a couple of. 3 more people.
Thank you. Thank you.
In your lane. Tell you what you want. See. Thanks. All the broken, looking for. Patients. Like a lot of it was once the. And that works for. But someone here is important to the work. It's nice.
Look at this. See you, baby.
Oh my goodness. That is so cute.
I'm like, what's on this guy's guitar?
Oh.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I am with Ms. Costa. I'll be walking the form up. I think that fast. Yeah.
Curry with a K.
With a C. There you go, Your Honor. All right.
Got the file. Go ahead.
Shadley appearing on behalf of the Ms. Costa, reading, stating her name for the record. We will also still get used to the corrections. No.
All right. You're all right there, ma'am.
Your Honor, we're gonna be setting this matter for a final pre-trial. We're asking for a return date of August 28th. I believe Mr. Greco asked for 9. There's still spaces at that time. Okay.
Done. Ma'am, we'll get you a paper notice. Just give us a minute. Yes.
See, anything that's less mild.
I know, but I let him know that I remember him that he come back there with mother family that was here for a trial.
That was a while ago.
Yeah. Have you ever had the misfortune of being put on crutches for a while?
No.
I'll tell you the best thing about crutches is it made my armpits hurt so bad I forgot my leg was busted.
Well, I know that, most people wrap like a kitchen towel, a hand towel around it and tape it.
That's one of the business stuff.
Yep.
T-shirts, I got to a certain point where it's just like anything's off. You'll get through it.
Oh, yes.
Okay, Constance. This one's yours. This one's mine. And you and I'll talk for the next one.
They are, really are.
They are.
You're all curious. Yeah, you're welcome. We can put that in there for you. Oh, yeah.
You as well, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
I mentioned how you feel. Oh, I know.
Yesterday.
I had a fun experience getting run over by a car as a 19-year-old when I worked at this outside. Yeah. I got out of the wheelchair. Got on things to look at that. But I was just one of those parts that it seems like. Sure.
Right, so it's filled to the rim. It's
Fill the room with brim.
super cold water. Yeah. It's ice cold water like you requested.
Thanks.
Are these I'll talk this. I can close that soon.
Sorry?
Yeah, I can close that soon.
Yeah, you're all set, right?
Think so. Well, Jeff's got one. He didn't ask me about it.
All right. But yeah, you can close out.
I think this was the show we were at.
Oh.
Right, that clears it. Jeff might be meeting somebody right now, that's it.
Thank you.
My wife and I were going through my recipe books last night.
Yeah.
She's really specific. Tina, where you were?
Yeah.
Okay, because she was like, no, wait a minute, that's a Brazilian recipe.
It is.
Well, and then she started holding me up. She's like, hang on. So we went through, I worked at a place at the Phoenician Hotel out. I had to wear a freaking tuxedo to go bartend kind of place. And she pulled that book out. I haven't looked at it since like 04. She's like, the recipes haven't changed. So you're going to get more than one.
That's all right.
I'm going to put them in descending order because I think my favorite one is a Brazilian and it's the same ingredients, more or less.
Yeah.
The other question she asked me was, do we know what brand specifically pouring for the cacique or what do they call the spirit when you guys were in Argentina?
I have a picture of what I had.
Because that was the other thing.
Oh, the one I sent you.
Okay, so that's the one that
I have.
I didn't know if that was just what you had when you were there or what you guys would be using on the